Hello everybody, welcome to my new video, and in today's video we are going to discuss about catechumen JFIF to PNG, JPG, PDF using free online tools or applications. So without wasting our time, let's start this session. Catechumen JFIF to JPG, PNG, PDF using free online tools or applications. Right here is a complete guide on a way to convert JFIF to formats like PNG, JPG, PDF and greater on your home Windows PCs. JFIF stands for JPG book interchange structure, with which is basically an image structure that retailers graphic fact encoded using JPEG algorithms. Although it is not as ordinary or accurate as JPEG, PNG, PDF, GIF and other photographs codecs. So when you have JFIF photographs and also you wish to convert them to different normal images formats, this book will aid you in this post. We can be showing two distinct how one can convert a JFIF photos. So let us accept a look at these two methods. To transform JFIF to JPG, you would be able to utilize a free online device equivalent to Cloud Convert, Free Convert and so forth. Other than that, you would be able to also use Bedridden or Paint to transform JFIF photographs into JPG structures. Sure, that you can convert JFIF to PNG, that you could are attempting charge less utility to convert a JFIF graphic to PNG layout, or attempting GIMP or Paint, which lets you acceptation a JFIF graphic, after which put it aside in PNG structure. Listed below are two main methods using which you can catechumen JFIF to JPG, PNG, PDF and more codecs on Windows. You could spend charge less desktop software to transform your JFIF photographs to JPG, PNG, PDF and many extra formats. Right here is a listing of 3 softwares that can help you operate the about phase. For Bedridden is a famous photo editor that you should expand to convert JFIF images to codecs like JPG, PNG, PDF, BMP, GIF, WebP, TIFF, TIFF and many more codecs. Earlier than conversion, which you can additionally adapt the source photo, as it is basically a picture editor. It offers a considerable number of drawing equipment, filters, results, transformations, equipment and extra. Here are the leading accomplished to transforming a JFIF photo to JPG, PNG and PDF formats in GIMP. If you need, you can now edit the photo with the usage of facets like resize, rotate, replicate and cast consequences, filters, brightness, contrast, saturation and so on. Afterward, click on its file consign as an alternative, after which set the achievement layout as per your requirement. At last, enter the file name and press the stop button to transform the JFIF image to the chosen photo structure. Bedridden can also be acclimated for diverse purposes. You could use it to add text to image batch, resize photographs, and eradicate the historical past from a photo, zoom on an image in or out, and more. That you can also catechumen after photographs formats via this application. Bedridden can also be acclimated for diverse purposes. You could use it to add text to image, batch resize photographs, eradicate it, the historical past from a photo, zoom an image in or out, and more. That you can also attachment other photographs formats via this application. Are trying Paint Web to transform JFIF to JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF, TIFF, PDF, and extra image codecs on a Windows workstation. It is a favored photo editor, and when you are one of its user, you would be able to attachment JFIF photographs to other usual formats through it. You simply have to originate your JFIF pictures, after which reserve it in any other codecs. In case you need to convert a JFIF image to PDF, you could consume its print alternative. Allow us to take a look at how to perform the about phase the use of it. Listed here are the leading accomplish to transform a JFIF graphic to PNG, JPG, and other codecs in acrylic. Again, you could also modify the picture such as resizing the image, circling adding results, bcloud the graphic, adding noise to it, and extra. Afterward, force it on the file. Store as choice and choose the achievement structure to which you wish to convert your JFIF photo to. To convert JFIF to PDF, you could employ the print alternative. Set the printer as Microsoft Book to PDF, after which retail the PDF book. That you would be able to create clear pictures, actualize a web button, make a YouTube thumbnail, eliminate watermarks, and do extra in acrylic. Rent a Soft Photo Advocate is a dedicated free photo advocate that allows you to catechumen JFIF to various codecs. The supported outputs codecs in it encompass JPG, GIF, altercation, BMP, PNG, ICO, PSD, PS, and extra codecs. It lets you batch convert JFIF images to other photos. That you can enter this utility from the correct click on the context card. This makes the assignment of conversion amazingly handy. Comply with the under accomplished to convert JFIF pictures to JPG, PNG, GIF, ICO, and so forth from appropriate click and ambience card. Again, select the desired achievement layout like JPG, GIF, altercation, BMP, PNG, ICO, and extra. That you would be able to additionally convert other photographs from one format to an extra. The usage of it, download it from right here, which you could additionally expand superior accumulation photo converter to convert JFIF to JPG, JP, PNG, WebP, and altercation codecs. It's a nice chargeless accumulation image converter. That means that you can convert a lot of graphic codecs, which you could batch catechumen JFIF images to other formats. To make use of it, you could observe the under accomplish. Subsequently, from the achievement layout drop down menu option for the achievement layout to which you want to attachment JFIF images, Eventually, express the catechumen button and it will begin converting all your JFIF pictures to the chosen output structure. Image Glass is a chargeless and start supply photograph viewer that also permits you to convert JFIF to JPG, BMP, EMF, EXIF, ICO and many others that you would be able to without problems start a JFIF image to it using Ctrl plus O hotkey, after which columnist the Ctrl plus Shift plus S hotkey and then option for the achievement structure as per your requirement. Finally, columnist the save button to keep the end using file, as simple as that. Like every other fine graphic viewer, it also comes with some decent elements like slideshow, zooms in, zooms out, rotates, scale, pro photograph and many others. Free converter in a free online JFIF graphic converter using you could catechumen JFIF to PNG, JPG, WEBP, altercation, GIF, SVG, PDF and more codecs. It is essentially a chargeless file advocate using which you may change the book format of a variety of book formats. Next, from the output structure, beat down, select the favored output structure from the obtainable ones. Afterward, columnist the apparatus icon to customize picture alternatives like picture size, nice and more. ConvertU is a chargeless file advocate that allows you to catechumen JFIF to JPG, PNG, HDR, PDF, ICO, PSD, WEBP, and so on. Formats, it means that you can accumulation convert your JFIF photos without delay. You can also add the supply photographs from Google Pressure or Dropbox. It is essentially a chargeless batch book advocate that lets you catechumen photos, audio, video clips, ebooks, files, and a lot of more file varieties. The chargeless edition has some obstacles that you can eradicate by purchasing its seasoned plan. One other decent chargeless online JFIF photographs converter is AnyConvert. It is a well-liked file converter that allows you to convert JFIF pictures to codecs like JPG, PNG, PDF, SVG, GIF and many others. The use of it, which you could catechumen numerous JFIF information at once as it helps batch about face allow us to try the accomplish to convert JFIF photographs to PNG, JPG, PDF and extra formats online. Now, browse and acceptation one or more JFIF photographs to it or drag and drop your simply photos to it. Cloud Convert is a favored book converter tool, the use of which it is that you could also convert JFIF photos. It lets you catechumen JFIF to JPG, BMP, EPS, PNG, PDF, WEBP and some other photograph formats. Here are the accomplished to use this free online converter to transform JFIF pictures. Afterward, columnist the screwdriver button existing next to the goal layout and personalize the achievement alternatives like width, top, first rate and so forth. It's a great file advocate for the usage of which that you may also catechumen files, video clips, audio pictures, ebooks, archives and extra. One other free online advocate device to perform JFIF photos is Online Converter. It lets you convert JFIF photos to various different photographs codecs together with JPG, PNG, PDF, GIF, altercation and extra achievements, book codecs. First commence its web page in an internet browser. Now that you can comfortably select the supply JFIF graphic, then enable the alternate options checkbook box in case you are looking to resize and alter graphic pleasant. After that, columnist the catechumen button to transform the JFIF photo to the selected layout. That's all for today. If you like my video, share it and also comment below for more videos like this. And if you have any queries, let me know in comment box. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.